Imagine receiving a letter filled with complex mathematical scribbles from a stranger halfway around the world. Your first instinct might be to discard it as the ramblings of a crank, but what if these scribbles held secrets that could revolutionize mathematics? This is not the beginning of a spy novel, but the true story of how G.H. Hardy, a prominent British mathematician, was first introduced to Srinivasa Ramanujan, a then unknown genius from India. This interaction was not just a footnote in history. It marked a turning point in the mathematical world, unveiling a mind capable of leaping bounds beyond conventional education and formal training. Born on December 22, 1887, in the bustling city of Madras, now Chennai, India, Ramanujan displayed a prodigious aptitude for mathematics from a young age. He devoured mathematical knowledge with an insatiable hunger, mastering college-level mathematics while still in middle school. However, his journey was not the sunlit path of privilege often trodden by other savants. Financial constraints and a lack of formal college education confined him predominantly to self-study, deriving complex theories and solving equations that many seasoned mathematicians found baffling. When Hardy received that fateful letter in 1913, he was initially skeptical. But upon closer examination with John Edensor Littlewood, he realized the depth of Ramanujan's raw talent. Hardy saw a diamond in the rough, an uncultivated genius who spoke the language of numbers with an intimacy and fluency he had seldom seen. This was Hardy's call to action. He invited Ramanujan to England, thus beginning a prolific partnership at the University of Cambridge. In the rainy, cobbled streets of Cambridge, the partnership between Hardy and Ramanujan flourished. They delved deep into problems that had stumped the greatest minds, and Ramanujan's brilliance began to be refined and recognized. Despite the harsh climate, cultural upheavals, and his struggle with health issues due to his vegetarian dietary restrictions amidst wartime rationing, he made groundbreaking contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. Though his life was tragically short, his work left an indelible mark on mathematics, earning him accolades such as being one of the youngest fellows of the Royal Society and the first Indian at Trinity College. But what makes Ramanujan's contributions truly magical is that much of his work is still relevant today, finding applications in areas that were not even imagined during his lifetime, like computer science, quantum physics, and even the study of black holes. Interestingly, Ramanujan attributed much of his mathematical insight to divine intervention. He claimed that the Hindu goddess Namagiri would present him with visions of mathematical formulas in his dreams. This mystical aspect of his intellect captivates not only mathematicians, but also philosophers and spiritual thinkers, leading to speculations about how human minds can access deep truths without formal training or visible effort. Ramanujan's intuitive grasp of complex mathematical concepts, much like Nikola Tesla's visions of inventive prototypes or Albert Einstein's abstract thought experiments, poses fascinating questions about the nature of genius and intuition. The legacy of Ramanujan continues to be a vibrant area of research. Approximately 3,900 results, many from notebooks discovered posthumously, are still being studied. His lost notebook, found in a pile at the Wren Library at Cambridge in 1976, remains a treasure trove full of unresolved riddles and complex equations yearning to be solved. These discoveries inspire successive generations of mathematicians to further explore his methods, ensuring that his influence is perpetual and ever-evolving. We often hear of individuals ahead of their time, but Ramanujan's story is one of being outside time, a permanent resident in the realm of mathematical thoughts that connects the ancient with the modern, the scientific with the mystical. His life reminds us that knowledge and inspiration can come from the most unexpected sources, urging us to look beyond the conventional, to explore and cherish the uncharted intellects of our world. The tale of Srinivasa Ramanujan, a humble clerk from Madras who transformed into one of the most enigmatic figures in the mathematical landscape, continues to inspire a sense of wonder and intrigue. It challenges us to consider if there might be more Ramanujan-like figures lurking in overlooked corners of the globe, waiting for a Hardy to recognize their potential. As we dive deeper into Ramanujan's work and that of others like him, we venture further into the layers of human intellect, continually discovering the endless possibilities that lie therein.